What if Samsung's next big phone looked nothing like the Note series it once took inspiration from? That's exactly the question around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the rumors suggest Samsung is ready to push the design further away from its Note roots than ever before. Let's rewind for a second. For years, the Galaxy Note stood out with its sharp corners and boxy shape. It gave the phone a strong identity, but let's be honest, it wasn't the most comfortable thing to hold. The sharp edges often dug into your palms, especially during long use. Samsung started changing that with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Unlike the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was still very boxy, the S25 Ultra softened things up with slightly curved corners. But according to reliable leaker Ice Universe, the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra will go even further, with corners that are noticeably rounder. If you've seen the Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus, you might already have an idea of what Samsung is aiming for: something easier to grip, yet still premium looking. The sides are another important detail. The Galaxy S24 Ultra had curved sides, which looked sleek but made it harder to hold securely. Samsung fixed that on the S25 Ultra by going with flat edges. Right now, it's unclear whether Samsung will keep refining that design or change it again with the S26 Ultra, but many users are hoping the flat edges stay because of the better grip. Now let's talk about size. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to come with a 6.89-inch display, just a touch larger than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.86-inch screen. But here's the good part: Samsung isn't making the phone bigger. Instead, they're trimming the bezels to give you more screen space in the same overall body. That means you get a bigger, more immersive screen without carrying around a bulky device. Another major design change could be the camera layout. In recent years, Samsung ditched the camera island and instead placed each lens directly on the back panel. But according to leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will bring back a raised camera island for at least 3 of its lenses: the primary, the ultra-wide, and the 5x telephoto camera. Why? Likely because Samsung is upgrading its main and telephoto sensors, and the raised area makes room for those larger parts. This could mean even better photo quality, especially in zoom and low-light shots. But design isn't the only upgrade. The S26 Ultra is also rumored to be thinner and lighter than the S25 Ultra, which would make it much more comfortable for daily use. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to power the phone with Qualcomm's next big processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, paired with the latest RAM technology. This should make the phone smoother, faster, and better at multitasking. One rumor that really stands out is something called Flex Magic Pixel technology. This is said to make your screen harder to view from side angles, which means people sitting next to you can't peek at your private messages, banking apps, or anything else you're doing. It's basically built-in privacy for your display, without needing a separate screen protector. All of these rumored changes: rounder corners, a bigger but sleeker screen, upgraded cameras, a thinner build, and smarter privacy make the Galaxy S26 Ultra sound like a bold step forward. Samsung seems to be moving away from the Note's boxy DNA and focusing on comfort, usability, and security. Of course, these are still leaks, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. But if they get it right, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be another huge success, continuing what many consider a winning streak with the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. So what do you think? Do you prefer the old boxy Note-like look, or do you like the idea of a more rounded, comfortable Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest smartphones and tech news.